than a cold water tasting like water. Sometimes when you don't clean it, start tasting like mold, start tasting like soap if you don't really clean it. So I show you how to clean it the easiest way. And I'm sorry if I cannot show dirt on it, because not even mold, because they're clean. Since I found this way of cleaning, never got dirty again. Show you, stay tuned. Well, everything ready. I got brushes, the little one, and this here. In Brazil we have X14, but it's a product that you use to clean mold. I'm sorry if my bottles aren't that dirty, but I always clean them. But it's still a little bit dirty, especially this one. This one's very dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to disassemble. Hold as outside as you can, and like this. When you do it this way, it goes out, see? Bah. Pretty easy. Then you hold like this and start taking out. Some people use a knife, but I'm not comfortable with it, so I prefer doing by finger. It takes a little bit longer, but no worries. Beware of this little O-ring, okay? In my case, before I learned how to clean like this here used to be so black, and the O-ring I used to scrub it, but it didn't come out. So you need something, a special liquid that takes the mold out. That's what you need. In my case, I'm using X14, but you can use anything that takes the mold out. Okay, and you can take this part also out. For this part, I'm gonna use a knife. This part, I never took it out. That's the first time. Ah, that's cool. Now we're gonna clean it. Because sometimes here, these little pieces here, see the holes? It gets dirty. Ah, nice. Okay. That's how it looks like. All here, see? There's the whole one, and that's the sample. So let's do for this one the same thing. The first time you take this out, it takes forever, but after you got used to it, it gets better. Let me see if this second time I'm doing, if it's better. Okay, so you turn it like this a little bit. Careful not to. All of those, Camelback doesn't say that you should do this, but I like clean stuff. And it's good to have clean stuff. And to have it clean, you really have to take it out. Aha! It's just the right way. Perfect. I'm gonna have very clean bottles. Perfect. Well, now they're all the same, so no matter if they get mixed up, just put in a bowl so it won't go away, and be careful with those, okay? Don't lose them. Okay, I put some. And wear gloves, it helps. Okay, if you put some gloves on, you can go around. And in this case, the bottles are very clean already. It's just a touch, you know. But if was like he used to be, you surely had to leave at least 2 hours or more because it used to be so dirty. I was so glad when I found out how to clean it. I know Camelback has a special product, but I couldn't take it out. Especially this part here. That's the valve. It's a very, very interesting valve. When you turn your bottle down, it doesn't allow to water come out unless you squeeze the bottle, the water come out. So it's so perfect for Brompton. I carry my bottles in the handlebar stem, so the bottle's there, so when I fold the Brompton, the water doesn't come out, so it's good. Yes, everything's clean. But remember, if your bottles are like mine used to be, very dark inside, dirty and everything, leave it longer. It takes a while to work it, okay? But in my case, it's done already, so we're gonna take everything, this out. Then we're gonna wash it and wash it and wash it and wash it, because we have to take all the product out. Okay, now leave it for a while so all the product is out. Well, you should do the same with the bottle. Inside here, it gets very dirty and sometimes it's so hard to take it out. This one, it is dirty because this bottle I use to put my electrolyte, so it gets dirtier than the other bottles. So let's scrub it out of the bottom. The bottom gets so dirty sometimes. You're wondering, why is Chris cleaning so many things? Your seat post, the bottles. Today I'm taking my Brompton for another bath. Well, because in 2 weeks time I'm going to Curitiba and I want my Brompton and my equipment to be in the best way it can be, you know, the cleanest, working fine. Here, the outside, it gets so dirty. These little things here. Yep, everything is gonna be very clean. I'm gonna take a lot of clean stuff to Curitiba. Okay, let's wash it. I got better? Better now. It's clean. Completely clean. Ah. Okay, let's put it together. Basically, you have to mount this first. Okay. This valve is a very important valve. It goes here. Actually gonna take this out. No need anymore. Here. Okay, see if it fits well. Then you're gonna put it back over here. Easy to put it back. Okay, see how clean is it? This little guy over here, and put it sideways like this. Okay, not hard. The only thing you have to worry, oh, this one will fit, but sometimes the O-ring stays, well, it is a little bit, it's for outside, so you have to put it back in the right place. That's very, very important, okay? To be all the way there. Okay. After it's all there, you come here like this and you tilt it. Did you hear it? You have to hear that. When you hear it, it's perfect. Okay, all done, all clean. New one. Let's put the other one so you can see it. Listen to the click. This little click, that makes the difference. Okay, all done, all clean. Just put in your bottle. Ready to drink. Very, very good. Let me show you. When you turn down, it doesn't go out. When you press it, it goes out. So this blue valve is very important. It has to be perfect, and the O-ring is for the water to not come out. Okay, I hope you like it. If you did like the video, it's a short one just to show you how to clean it. I had a lot of trouble because I tried my bottles were so dirty, you wouldn't believe it. Not that I didn't wash them, but I didn't know how to dismount them, and I didn't know how to take them all out. So that's the way you get a product, because every country has your own, that's made to take them all off the bathrooms or the kitchen. Okay, it's made for it. It's a little gooey when you touch it. That's why it's better to wear gloves. Oh, did you like it? How cool was that? It took me years to learn this, how to clean it in a easy way that took it out of the mold, because I used to brush it and try to clean it, it got the dirt out, but the mold always stays there. Oh, she did like it. Let me put my bottle here because it's time for the little bell. Oh, I do encourage you to sign up, to subscribe, because we have lots and lots of tips, and everything that I learned I pass on. So if you did like the video, thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, do it. And most of it, the little bell, it's marvelous. It notifies you when the video is out. So hope you like it. Bye bye.